Hello, I'm David Spindler, Senior Consultant and Product Manager here at Inixion. I've worked in manufacturing and distribution for nearly 30 years, and over the last 2 years we have seen the global pandemic create supply chain and logistics problems for many industries, and coupled with Brexit here in the UK, it's formed the perfect storm. On top of this, we have shortages in microchips and other key raw material commodities, which is creating problems with unfulfilled demand and is likely to continue this year and beyond, causing extended lead times in produced goods for our customers and ultimately the consumers. These challenges have been the catalyst for an adoption of digital supply chain solutions, such as an ERP system for manufacturing. Our new guide, Reimagining Manufacturing, discusses the opportunities available for the manufacturing industry to grow, adapt and evolve to address the changing needs of its customers. Access our new guide today to find out more.